Story, y'all, Donovan Lynch, that we've been covering, shot and killed. You might remember on March 26, 2021. Folks, this was a story that caused so much consternation there. Donovan was shot and killed by Officer Solomon Simmons. Simmons claimed he shot Donovan in self-defense when he saw Donovan holding his legal gun. A grand jury determined no probable cause to warrant criminal charges against Simmons. Joining me now is the Lynch family attorney, Justin Fairfax. Justin, glad to have you on the show. This is, of course, an issue that you, representing the family, has been really focused on. And in so many of these cases, the only way families have any sense of justice is through a settlement, because very few times officers are indicted for their wrongdoing.
That's exactly right, Roland. And thank you for having us on. And thank you again for following this story. We finally have justice for Donovan Lynch and for his family. This has been an extraordinary journey, very painful journey for that family. But we are ending where we started, which is with the truth. Donovan Lynch is innocent. He did nothing wrong that night. He did nothing illegal that night. He simply had dinner with one of his best friends and was out for a fun night out, totally innocent, when he was shot and he was killed, and wrongfully so. And so we were going to fight for justice. I came about 65 or so days ago. The case had been going on for a very long period of time. But when they brought me in, and also Thomas B. Martin, my co-counsel and one of the best lawyers in America, we said we were going to supercharge this case. We were going to litigate it. As you know, I'm a former federal prosecutor in Virginia, and that's exactly what we did. And so just last week, we were very proud that the city of Virginia Beach reached a settlement. We'll give $3 million to the family of Donovan Lynch. And as you mentioned, there's no amount of money that can make a family whole from the loss of a loved one. It's a tragedy, but it also is a measure of justice. And we have to live in a society where the value of our lives is effectuated not just through the legal system, but through how we are treated. And so I was going to fight for justice in this case, no matter what it took. And so we were very happy for the family. They finally got a measure of justice.